Filters provide a relatively cheap and effective way to get creative and shoot professional grade video with your GoPro action camera. And if you're after a high quality set of filters for GoPro's latest and greatest, PolarPro have you covered with their Hero 9 ND shutter collection. If you're on the lookout for action camera filters, then PolarPro are a name you've probably come across already. They provide some of the highest quality filters for a range of camera platforms, and thanks to the reintroduction of the removable lens cover on GoPro's latest flagship, the Hero 9 Black, PolarPro have a neat and tidy ND filter solution that has your needs covered. Supplied in recyclable packaging, we receive a plastic storage container, helping to keep all filters safe and secure during storage and transportation. Nevertheless, the kit consists of 3 ND filters designed to help you get the best quality footage under normal daylight conditions, which is generally where the camera captures the best quality video in the first instance. These work by slowing down the camera shutter speed successively, therefore restricting the amount of light hitting the camera sensor. Important when capturing the much sought after blur motion which is typical of cinematic footage. The ND8 slows down the shutter by 3 f-stops, great for use in cloudy daylight conditions. The ND16 by 4 f-stops, perfect for normal daylight conditions. And the ND32 by 5 f-stops, making it an ideal choice for filming in bright sunny conditions. In addition to this, the filters effectively prevent lens flare from spoiling the picture while filming against the sun, and all while helping to tone down the highlights of the sky to get a sharp image of the landscape. The finish on these units are the best I've seen though, absolute perfection, no issues there at all. Installation is quick and easy too. Remove the Hero 9 lens cover by pulling out and away from the camera slightly while rotating the lens cover, and reverse the process with your chosen PolarPro filter. We keep the original high quality look and feel of the GoPro without changing its size whatsoever, meaning no effect on external accessories either. Above all else, it means we do not add any additional layers of glass in front of the lens, leading to crystal clear shots. Engineered specifically for the Hero 9 Black camera and complete with PolarPro's signature Cinema Series glass, which includes 16 coated layers helping to reduce flaring and help protect against fingerprints, oils and scratches, there's absolutely nothing to complain about here. With the superb high quality we've come to expect from PolarPro, along with the new lens mounting design, if you're serious about shooting high quality video with your GoPro Hero 9, although this kit is a tad more pricey than others, you'll get the highest possible quality and it comes well recommended.